The kingdom of Tooro in Uganda is plunged into deep sorrow following the sudden death of its traditional leader, His Majesty Omukama King Oyo Nyimba Kabamba Iguru Rukidi IV. The 34-year-old monarch passed away at approximately 10 p.m. on Thursday night, marking a heartbreaking turn of events for the Tooro people. The nation of Uganda and the international cultural community are mourning. The official statement confirming the king's passing was released late Thursday evening by the Prime Minister of Tooro Kingdom, Oyo Calvin Armstrong Rwomiire following an earlier bulletin urging global prayers as His Majesty's health precipitously declined. Official declaration from the Prime Minister's office. A royal confirmation also came in. Prime Minister Rwomiire declared the monarch's passing with profound sadness and a heavy heart, emphasizing that his death represents an immeasurable loss to the royal family, Tooro Kingdom, and Uganda. Now, there is also appeal for calm and prayer. The Prime Minister called upon the Tooro and friends of the kingdom to remain united, peaceful, and prayerful during this distressing period of transition. He also assured continuity of the throne. Addressing concerns regarding royal lineage, the kingdom confirmed that the continuity of the crown remains fully secured. King Oyo leaves behind a prince as his heir, whose identity will be unveiled in accordance with traditional Tooro customs at their appropriate time. So there is also funeral proceeding, detailed schedules regarding mourning protocols, cultural rites, and official state funeral proceedings will be communicated through official kingdom channels. The announcement has triggered widespread grief, with tributes and condolences pouring in from across the region as the kingdom prepares for royal rites. Many sources say the king succumbed to cancer. Rest in peace. When we look internationally, the same day, Norway is in national mourning following the death of King Harald V, the fifth at the age of 82. The royal palace in Oslo announced that the monarch passed away peacefully at Oslo University Hospital at 6:35 a.m. on Friday, August 28, 2026. He had been undergoing treatment since August 17 for haemolytic anemia. The country's ceremonial head of state since 1991, Herald was Europe's oldest reigning monarch. Flags were promptly lowered to half-mast across the nation. Key developments following the announcement include the state succession. Crown Prince Haakon succeeds his father as the King Haakon VIII. Prime Minister Jonas Gahr Støre is scheduled to meet the new monarch at the palace. There is also national tribute. Prime Minister Støre expressed deep gratitude for Herald V's 3 decades of unwavering service to the Norwegian people. There's also context of transition. The succession occurs during a turbulent period of the royal household following public scrutiny surrounding Crown Princess Margaret's past association with Jeffrey Epstein and legal troubles involving her son. Tributes continue to arrive from foreign heads of state and European royalty honoring King Harald's enduring legacy as Norway's great modernizer. May the kings rest in peace.